Hello, everyone, and thank you to all that joined our 7th annual Lymphoma and CLL Patient and Caregiver Conference. This is the fourth time our conference has been held in a virtual format, and we are thrilled so many of you can attend from across Canada from the comfort of your homes. We thank you so much for taking the time to attend the sessions today. Whether you're new to Lymphoma Canada and our organization, or a longtime supporter, we appreciate your eagerness to stay up to date on lymphoma research, treatments, and best care practices. We would also like to say a special thanks to our honored patient and caregiver who shared their story of courage and support with us. While no story of lymphoma is the same, there is always something to be learned from hearing someone's thoughts and reflections from their cancer journey. So thank you, Dean, for sharing your story of hope and your diagnosis of stage 2 follicular lymphoma, which later transitioned into diffuse large B-cell lymphoma. And thank you to Jennifer for sharing your story of support while caring for your husband, as well as the many tips that you shared. As many of us know, no person goes through lymphoma alone, and the care provided by family and healthcare professionals is crucial for the physical and emotional health for those that are diagnosed. We sincerely hope that you enjoyed the excellent sessions that we had today, including the live presentation on the importance of knowing your subtype by Dr. David Scott. We greatly appreciate all our speakers who spoke on the various subtypes and answered patient questions during the live Q&A, which facilitated some very interesting discussion. Lymphoma Canada greatly appreciates the dedication of our speakers to the lymphoma community through their research and clinical work. It was a busy day filled with lots of information, but don't worry if you weren't able to catch it all. All these sessions were recorded and will soon be available on Lymphoma Canada's website. As a registrant, you will be sent a link following the conference to let you know when and where you can access these recordings on our website. We would also like to thank our generous sponsors for their support this year in hosting our virtual conference. They continue to support the lymphoma community as well as our work in the organization. We graciously thank our platinum sponsor for this year's national conference, BeiGene. We thank our gold sponsors, Janssen, AstraZeneca, and Mallinckrodt Pharmaceuticals. We thank our silver sponsors, AbbVie and Kite, a Gilead company. And finally, we thank our bronze sponsors, Seagen, Bristol Myers Squibb, Incyte, Kyowa Kirin, Recordati, and Roche. Thank you to Novartis as well for their support. As a reminder, during the presentations, please continue to ask questions through the Q&A box at the bottom of your screen. If you're unsure how to use the Zoom technology or are unfamiliar with navigating the conference platform, please go to the information desk, which can be accessed through the lobby or the white menu bar on the virtual platform. If you have any questions or need assistance throughout the conference, please access the technical support chat on the right-hand side of the info desk. Please continue to review and download our patient resources available through the Resources tab. You can add all of these to your swag bag, which will be emailed to you at the end of the conference or when you check out. These resources are also available on our website. We are excited to see all of you at the second day of our conference tomorrow, Wednesday, October 18th, beginning at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tomorrow, lymphoma topics of interest will include a session on what's coming down the pipeline in terms of lymphoma therapies, as well as an informative session on how lymphoma therapies are approved in Canada. Following these sessions, we will learn more about cellular therapies for lymphoma patients, as well as get a COVID-19 update for patients. All these sessions include a brief question and answer session, so you will be able to ask your questions to our expert speakers. Hence, please join us for another full day of learning about lymphoma in Canada. Thank you, and we'll see you tomorrow.